Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed text in Bambu Studio. So firstly, we will select our model on this build plate, then click text tool icon in the top toolbar. Type your text into the panel and select your uh, font right here. So you can select whatever you want. Set the thickness to a small number. So thickness right here under the advanced, we can do it 0.8 millimeters. This controls how deep the text embeds, and then change the text type. Drop down menu from emboss to embedded. So if you don't see it, we have here boldness and skew. Yeah, what you are also gonna do here is you can change here the bold text and so on. Okay, so now we also can change the colors. So we go here to the process, and where you see here the text shape, and here you have this green, and if you click on this one, you can change here these filaments that you can see we have in this project. Filaments, we have it 8, so we can basically choose the color of it like so, as you can see now. And this is basically how you can embed text into Bambu in Bambu Studio on your model. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next